Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to do some exercise about this. So this is Osaka Expo. But we're not going to model the whole thing, but instead we're just going to model one of these triangular shape family. One of these. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a generic model, adaptive, and place one point and make it adaptive. So now what we need to do is we need to place another point, draw on world plane, and set world plane, place on the horizontal world plane, and place it on point 1. So now drag this up. So this will be the height. So let's create a parameter. Let's call it h, instance OK and OK. So now if we select these 2 points, create a spline, make a reference line. So now we have a reference line on which we can place some point. So place one point, draw on draw on face. Okay, so and then place it on this reference line, and then once again place another point, draw on world plane, set world plane, and pick the vertical world plane of this point. So tab. So let's use this one. Okay, so and then place it on the point. And okay, so now if you select this point, drag it this way, so this will be an offset. Okay, so let's call it what should we call it? Offset instance. Okay, and okay. So now if I drag, actually I'm going to copy this. Okay, so CC, copy one, and copy another one, CC another one, and then select this point, which is the also host this point. So select this point and pick new host and place it on the reference line. So once again, select this point, pick new host and place it on the reference line. So now select this point. So this is a second point. So in this rotation angle, let's type in 120 degree and select this one, type in 240. Okay, so now if I select all these 3 points and move them by typing 1 here, and you'll see all these 3 points will go up. So now let me just change the offset a little bit. So maybe I'll change it to 3. I'll change the height to 5, roughly. Apply. Okay. And if I select this one and point 1, create a spline, reference line, select this one and point 1, spline, reference line, and also select this point and point 1, spline, reference line, and select these 2, spline, reference line, select these 2, spline, reference line, select these 2, spline, reference line. Okay, so now we have a shape. Maybe I'll change the height a little bit. Maybe let's go to family types. So I'll change this to maybe 4 meter roughly. So okay, so what we need to do is we try to get all these, the length of all, so currently it's not equal, so you will see this is 5, about 5.2. This one's 5, and what I'm going to do is try to make all these edges the same length. Okay, so we just need to find some formula. So use this height. Okay, so let me just pause here because I need to figure out formula first. Oops, where's my, yeah. Okay, I worked it out. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so let's just do a new one. I'm going to do a screenshot of this shape, and so this is H. Okay, so this point offset from this point. If I connect this, so this is offset OFS. Okay, and because these three sides are the same, so same length, which means these angle are all 60 degrees, and then this one will be 30 degrees. Okay, and then if I connect these two here perpendicular to this edge and connect this, so because this is 30 degree, this is OFS, then this edge will be OFS divided by 2, so half of the offset. And then of course, this one will be square root of 3 divided by 2 times OFS. Okay, so now if I connect this point to here, and we have this H, we have this OFS, and we just need to work out this one, because this one in this triangular shape, so this one, so in this one, this is also a equal sides triangular, so 1, 2, 3 all the same, and then here this one will be 30 degrees. Okay, so now this one, because this edge equals to square root of 3 divided by 2 times OFS, so this edge equals this length times square root of 3. So 2 square root of 3 OFS times square root of 3. So which equals 3 divided by 2 OFS. So now we have this edge, we have this, oh sorry, this is H, we also have this one. Then in this triangular shape, so this one, we can use well, the formula we can use is, so if this is C, this is A, this is B, will be A square plus B square equals C square. Okay, so A is this one, so OFS divided by 2 square plus B, which is H, equals C, which is this one, 2 OFS square. So OFS square divided by 4 plus H square equals 9 divided by 4 OFS square. So I'll just minus this one, go here, becomes 2 OFS square equals H square. So OFS, I'll get 2. So OFS equals square root of 2 divided by 2 times H. So this is the formula for OFS. So now let's go back to Revit, and under OFS, type in SQRT bracket 2 divided by 2 times H. and click OK. So now let's have a look. So the length of this edge, full A99. This one, same, 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 and the same. So now we have this shape, and we can create some a family. Okay, so let's do it. So it's going to be, I think should be like this. So create a face. I'll just create a face here, and then let me try see if I can create a face from these two. No, we need another reference line here. Oops. Sorry. Let me just HH this one. So these 2 points spline. Oh, sorry, because there's actually 2 points here. So, oh, actually there's 4. There are 4 points here. So what I'm going to do is I'll hide HH this one, HH, HH. So the last one, I'll use this one. Okay, so now there are 2 points left. So spline, reference line, these 2, spline, reference line, and these 2 spline, reference line. So now we can create a face by using 3 reference line. Just create a face. 1, 2, and 3. Oops. Oh, sorry. Reference size, not points. And 1, 2, and tab. Select this reference line. Recurring form face. So HR. So now we have these face, and let's create a. I'll just create a project, and we can load this into the project. Let's place it here. So now we can place multiples. I'll just place another one. Oh, maybe let me just make it always vertical. So go back to this family, check this always vertical, and load it back to the project. So go back to 3D view, CS, create similar. So we can use place on face and place on the. Okay, so it won't align to the family, to the one underneath. Maybe we need to set. Let's go back to the family. Select this point. Let's have a look. Maybe we need to use global XYZ. Okay, so load this back into the project. Have a look in 3D view. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So now you can create more. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can just create some interesting model using this family. It's like this. And the good thing is it's not the whole thing. So you can, so for example, this is H is, or actually it's because currently it's instant parameter. So maybe we should go back to the family and change it to. I'll change both parameter to type parameter. So maybe change this one H first, and change the offset to type as well. So now if I load this back into the project, and we can select one of them. If you select one of them, edit type, And so for example, I'll change the size of 1 and the whole thing will change. Okay, so let's try that again. 5 mega. Okay, so I think that's it. And if you like, you can. So it looks like some of the panels on the top is different to those on the bottom. So you can somehow make it create some curve and use parameter to control it. But I'll leave it to you. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.